Okay, today I'm going to do a little quick review on the Warrior high-speed steel quick change drill bit set, and also got a quick release bit holder set. So we'll take a look at it. I'll test the fitment in my impact driver and see the quality. Alright, so we'll start with this. This is the quick release bit holder set 7-piece. Warrior brand. This is from Harbor Freight. So you get basic bits here. You get 2 flatheads and 4 different Phillips. 2 of those are going to be like a PH2 and 2 are a PH1. Yep. So always good to have those. And the quick release, let's see if it works good here. Well, the bit holder is good. Okay. Oh, cool, it's got like driver tips on it. That's nice. I understand how this is supposed to work here. There we go. Works pretty good. Fits in there nice and snug.